Good morning, Pride Coaster Club fans. Today we are at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay to ride this bad boy, Iron Gwazi. It is new for the 2022 season. It's been closed, or not closed, I should say, delayed for 2 years to open. So this used to be the original Gwazi. Had two GCI coaster tracks, but now it just says RMC. So let's go in and have some fun.
Look left, look right, and I come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right. This what the angles look like. Way up, stood high, taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what I come with a and 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 I come with taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what a and I come with 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 a come with a.
Can't come to Busch Gardens Tampa without seeing our pink chickens. And you can see Iron Gwazi in the background.